Equinox by Onyx. Reach everyone. This is a demonstration of the artificial intelligence-powered Smart Table Detector for Equinox PDF remediation software.
A PDF titled Table Examples shows a meal logging table with columns for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and rows for each day of the week.
Tables can be quickly tagged in Equinox in a fraction of the time required by other software. Draw a zone around the table, then press T to change the zone to Table, and select Table Editor.
The speaker selects Table Editor in the sidebar Table menu. Green grid lines appear over the table.
This isolates the table from the rest of the document.
Adjusting the sliders moves the grid lines until they line up with the columns and rows.
Use the table detector to adjust the grid lines for the columns and rows, until you find the result that most closely matches the existing table. Equinox will auto-populate the table summary with the correct information. A preview shows the table perfectly tagged.
An unmarked table shows the best songs of the 2000s by song, year, and band.
For this next table, draw a zone around the text and press T for Table. Press Table Editor and adjust the table detector until the grid lines align correctly. Even without grid lines, the table detector can still understand the table. This table has no row headers, so that can be set to 0, and Equinox will correct the table summary.
The table summary reads rows 11, columns 3, and no header rows.
Again, the preview shows the perfectly tagged table.
A detailed table shows departmental spending for each department by year and quarter.
For this more complex table, we start again by drawing a zone around the entire table. Press T to set the zone to Table, and then select Table Editor. Adjust the table detector for the rows and columns until the grid lines are closely aligned with the table. You can manually adjust the grid lines if needed.
The speaker uses the cursor to drag and adjust the green grid lines. They then select the Cells menu in the sidebar.
Next, we can merge the cells by selecting them using the Shift and arrow keys and using the spanning
The
buttons.
speaker merges the column headers for the 2 years.
Correct the number of column and row headers, and the table summary will update, including the merged cells. A preview shows this complex table correctly tagged in seconds. For a free consultation about how Equinox can make your PDF remediation faster and easier, contact us at equinoxsales@onyxnet.com.